Hey guys, Nanto here, KTV Air Health. I just want to show you a quick video how I'm gonna be grilling my chicken and my steak today. So you know, this is my brand new grill, and guess what? This is the first time I'm gonna be grilling. So I'm just trying to put it out there. You know, trying to be as forgiving as possible if you think I messed things up. But I'm really excited to show you what's going on here today, as you can see. Some pieces that are in there.
I got China today and make chicken and water meat.
What are we making?
And chicken.
Do you like chicken?
Hmm?
You like chicken? How many would you like to eat?
I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. 8, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, itori, iri.
Beautiful girl. Oh yes, it is coming along, baby. Alright, I think if you take a closer look, you can see that this is really ready. This is good, guys. Oh yes, this is so tender. Look at that. Look at how juicy it is. I feel great about this. First time grilling. Turns out really good. This is so juicy. I think the secret for us is how we season this. Homemade, natural, organic seasoning. Nothing crazy, nothing synthetic. This is great. How do you think? How's it? Good? Alright guys, that's pretty much all I have. This is great. I'm happy that this turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think, guys. Again, I appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, feel free to comment, and of course smash that notification button. I post everything relating to holistic health, gardening, lifestyle, anything that keeps us healthy, anything that helps you to stay healthy. That is something that KTV Health is all about. I can't wait to see you in another video.